In my last video, I have shown you how to integrate native ads in a UI view. Now we are going to learn how to integrate native ad in our TableView cell. To save the time, I have already created a TableView there, and also the cell. In my simulator you can see this is a cell, and right now in a UI view I am showing the native ad. Now what we are going to do, we are just adding a UI view. We will add the ad on our index 0. So cell dot add view is hidden is equal to false if the index is 0, show that, and otherwise hide the UI view which we have created. In our add view we are going to open the ad. You can take all this code from my previous video, and also please visit my last video so you understand better how to integrate native ads. Go to the set ad view and comment it out placement view dot add subview, which is this one, and create a so what I have done there, I have created a variable of ads w cell, which is this cell, and passing the index 0. That means that I am going to append the ad only on index 0. So cell dot add view dot add subview and add the native add view, and that's done, and let's run the code. As you can see on our first cell as I is showing, and let's move up and down so you can see that is working fine on our first index, and we have commented out the UI view ad, so we can't see that anymore. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please share, like, subscribe my video so I keep on adding more videos for you. Thank you. Have a good day.